Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we saw the sentence. And what is a sentence? Well, this is a sentence. You can talk about a person, people, a place, an animal, an object, okay, a verb, and what comes after the verb. It can be a place, a museum, a school, or you can eat something. So a sentence, well, it's a complete idea. Okay. So you can have a statement with a dot, period, or you can have a question with a question mark, or you can have an exclamation mark. It's an exclamation. So a statement can also be called affirmation. An affirmation is just a normal sentence. Okay, we don't ask a question, we don't say something loud. Okay, this is a statement as well, or an affirmation sentence. So let's see now if we can talk about a noun. What is a noun? Well, it can be a person, a girl, a place, a zoo, a school, or a thing. Can be a hat, or it can be a candy. Okay, a noun names a person, a place, or thing. So we have special names with a capital letter, okay, uppercase. So this is like a big letter, okay. So this is a lowercase, uppercase. We call the uppercase capital letter also. Lowercase, okay, a lowercase is small. Okay, so we can talk about your name, my name, or it can be Kate, Lee, Rick, or Spot. That's a weird name. Or it can be also the pet's name. Okay, your dog, your cat, your fish. Okay, so every time we have a special name, that means we are talking about someone, or it can be an important place, a museum, or it can be a plaza, or it can be the name of a school. So we use an capital letter, an uppercase. Okay, upper is upper, case case, uppercase. We can also have an uppercase, a capital letter with the name of each day. Okay, so like for instance, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All of them will have an uppercase or a capital letter. And the name of each month begins with a capital letter. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. Let's practice. You draw a circle around each noun. This is my school. School is a noun. Sam is my pal. So we don't really say pal. We're going to say my friend. Okay? Sam is my friend. And let's spell friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. 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 The best month is June because it's the end of the school. The best month is school. So far we have school, this is a noun. Sam, this is a noun. Pal or friend, this is a noun. Month, this is a noun. June, this is a noun. The week begins on Sunday. The week begins on Sunday. The week is a noun. Sunday, it's a noun, and we have a capital letter. And this game is fun. Game is a noun. Okay. Let's see what else we have. The plural nouns. This is just when we have more than one. We add an S to some nouns to make them name more than one. Add S to some nouns to make them name more than one. Oh, what does that mean? I have one spider, but I see two spiders. One web, you know, the spider web, that's the house of the spider. So web, webs. Okay. So, but you have to be careful, because if a noun ends with ss, sh, ch on s, or even an x, we're gonna have to change everything. So like the bench, you know, when you go to the park and you want to sit somewhere, usually you have benches, not just one, but several. The box, boxes. Glass, glasses. If you have to see and to read better with glasses, okay, so we say glasses, not just glass, glasses. Wish, I wish I could be on vacation. I wish I could be taller. I wish I could be in a different country. Okay, so wish, wishes. Bench is where you sit. In the park, benches. Box, you receive boxes. You know, if it's a gift, it's a box. Boxes, glass, glasses, wish, wishes. And sometimes we don't even add an es on the s. Sometimes it's just completely different. 1 foot, 2 feet. 1 child, 2 children. So be careful of the pronunciation here. 1 mouse, 2 mice. Mouse, 2 mice. Mice, mouse, mice. Mouse, mice. It's not easy, huh? Tooth, 1 tooth, 2 teeth. 1 man, 2 men. Man, men, man, men, man, men. And the same with, we're not going to say women's, no, we're going to say woman, women, woman, women. Okay, we have to hear the man, men, man, men. Goose, that's a bird. Makes a lot of sounds. It's a white bird. Goose, pretty big. Geese, 1 goose, 2 geese. Okay, so be careful. There is also sheep. We have a lot of words like that. So we want the plural form for each noun. Mask, so you have the corrections, you have the answers, but you can learn like that as well. Mask, masks. That's not easy because we have SKS, masks, masks. Class, classes. Dish, dishes. The dishes you have in your dishwasher. You wash the dishes after eating. Boss, bosses. And this one, I just talked about it. A woman, 2 women. Woman, women. Okay, that's it. Now, let me see if I can find the other one. This one. If you need the book, let me know. I can share all this stuff. So the last time we did all those guys. We make sentences. I'm going out. I'm staying in. The plane is flying high in the sky. Or the bird is flying low. I'm happy today, or I'm sad today. This is a good meal. Okay, it's a good meal. Or it's a bad guy. I like, I can say, all my friends are here. None, so this one is different. We're gonna use it differently. None of my friends are here. We're not gonna talk about that now, but sometimes we can use are, or sometimes we can use is, depending on the expression. Okay, so none. We can add none of my friends, none of my family members, none on my, my classmates. Okay, open your eyes or close your eyes. The story ends well, or the story begins well. I win the game. You lose. My mom is tall. My dad is short. I work every day. And I play every morning. That's not true. Anyway, so we don't have to do that all the time because it's a bit boring. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, there are many. So let's do something else here. We're gonna make sentences because it's more important. So let's zoom in, up, one more time. Glass, monkey, cake, pencil, dog, shirt. I'm not giving you exercises or homework. I want you to think with me. You learn with me. Okay. What can you wear? We're talking about the clothes. Okay. So what can you wear? I can wear a shirt. Or I can say I can wear a black shirt. What can we write with? What can we write with? So you want to write something on a piece of paper, you need a pencil. We can write with a pencil. We can write with a pencil. 3. What can you eat? What can you eat? I can eat a cake. I can eat a cake. We can say a chocolate cake. What can you pet? What can you pet? That is weird. So we can pet a dog, we can cuddle as well a dog. We can hug, H-U-G, we can hug a dog. We can kiss a dog as well. What can you drink out of? What can you drink out of? I can drink out of a glass. Out of a glass. Okay. And 6, what can we see at the zoo? What can we see at the zoo? Okay. We can see at the zoo a monkey or monkeys. So, just be careful. There is a big difference between English, British English, and American English. The pronunciation, some expressions, the vocabulary. So it's very important for English teachers to specify if they teach British English, American English, or both. Okay. So if, for instance, if I have like Harry Potter, the Potter is more British sounding. But if I say Harry Potter, it's more American English. Okay. So it's very, very important. Let's continue. Hat, book, ball, door, bed, school. Where do we go to learn things? Where do we go to learn things? We go to school. What is something that we can sleep on? What is something, an object that we can sleep on? We can sleep on a bed. What can we open? We can open a door. What can you read? I can read a book. What is round? A ball is round. What can you wear on your head? Where? I can wear a hat on my head. Okay? Let's finish these two this thing, and when we're done, we can start a new book and do more vocabulary and more stories. Let me know if you have any feedbacks, if you need anything, and you have a nice day or a nice week. Take care.